Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best workbench organizers is probably one of the most essential investments a DIY enthusiast, craftsman, or serious home mechanic can make, transforming a chaotic workspace into a haven of efficiency and productivity, where every tool and supply has its designated place, readily accessible when inspiration strikes or a project demands immediate attention, ultimately saving you time, frustration, and potentially costly mistakes by keeping your valuable equipment protected and organized. Number 5. MaxWorks 30 Bin Wall Mount Storage Rack. Introducing the MaxWorks 30 Bin Wall Mount Storage Rack, your ultimate solution for organizing small parts. Keep your workspace tidy and efficient with this heavy-duty organizer. Crafted from sturdy materials, it's built to last. This organizer is designed to meet your everyday storage needs with long-term reliability. Maximize your floor space with its convenient wall mount design. It keeps your tools, supplies, and equipment neatly organized and easily accessible. This versatile organizer is perfect for a wide range of items. From tools and extension cords to garden gear and cleaning supplies, it handles it all. Setting it up is a breeze. It's designed for quick and secure wall mounting, making organization simple for any space. Ideal for your garage, workshop, or utility room. It brings efficient organization to both home and light-duty professional settings. What we like. This organizer offers a durable construction built to last. Its space-saving wall mount design maximizes your floor space. If you're looking for a versatile solution to tidy up your garage, workshop, or even laundry room, this is a great choice. What people say. The organizer has multiple compartments of varying sizes, perfect for storing different types of tools and hardware. The clear plastic drawers allow for easy visibility of contents, so you can quickly find what you need. It's stackable, which is great for saving space in my workshop. Number 4. POKIPO 49W Large Power Tool Organizer. Introducing our extra-wide, large-capacity power tool organizer. It features 4 independent compartments and side holders for wrenches and screwdrivers, keeping all your tools within easy reach and saving valuable space. Built with high-strength industrial-grade metal and a robust welded design, this tool rack offers exceptional stability and durability. It can easily support up to 800 pounds of heavy tools and equipment. Assembly is a breeze with its multi-layer independent panel structure and side-hanging racks. You can securely mount it to your wall in just 10 minutes, saving you time and effort. This garage tool shelf is compatible with standard 16-inch wall spacing and can be securely installed on wood, plywood, or drywall. It's perfect for creating an organized space in your garage, workshop, or storage room. This durable and space-saving organizer is an ideal gift for any man who values organization. It's perfect for professionals, hobbyists, or anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. What we like. This organizer boasts an extra-wide capacity, perfect for storing multiple charging stations and larger tools. With an impressive 800 pounds load-bearing capacity, it's incredibly robust. If you are a professional technician, woodworker, or auto repair enthusiast who needs to store heavy-duty equipment and values efficiency, this is the ideal upgrade for your space. What people say. The organizer has multiple compartments of varying sizes, perfect for different tools and supplies. It's made of durable plastic that seems like it will hold up well over time. The stackable design allows for efficient use of space in my workshop. Number 3. TRZZ Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount. Introducing the TRZZ Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount, designed to bring efficient storage to your workshop or garage. Keep your tools neatly arranged and easily accessible. This organizer features a 3-layer system for diverse storage needs. The top and middle layers accommodate various items, while the bottom is perfect for your cordless drills. The included side pegboards with hooks offer versatile storage solutions. Customize your space further with compatible accessories to maximize organization and load capacity. Set up your new organizer in under 15 minutes. It's designed for straightforward mounting, making organization hassle-free. Built with robust iron and a reinforced structure, this organizer boasts an 80 lb load-bearing capacity. You can trust its durability and stability on your wall. Ideal for anyone seeking a functional and efficient workspace. This organizer is a thoughtful addition to any tool room, workshop, or garage. What we like. This organizer provides 3-layer efficient storage with versatile side pegboards for customizable organization. It's designed for easy and fast assembly, getting you organized in under 15 minutes. If you value efficient organization and functionality, and need a flexible storage solution for your workshop or garage, this is a practical item to consider. What people say. The organizer has multiple compartments of various sizes, allowing for efficient storage of different tools and hardware. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, even when fully loaded with heavy items. The clear, stackable design saves valuable workbench space and allows for easy visibility of contents. Number 2. Wall Control 4 feet Metal Pegboard Tool Storage Kit. Tired of flimsy storage? This metal pegboard is over 10 times stronger than traditional options, offering superior durability for your tools and supplies. It seamlessly integrates with both standard 1/4-inch pegs and accessories, as well as our specialized slotted tool board system. You get maximum flexibility for your setup. Forget complicated frameworks. This organizer mounts directly into studs or drywall, making installation a breeze. Get organized in no time. Not only is it built to last, but it also features an attractive and resilient powder-coated finish. It looks great and withstands daily use. Upgrade your workshop or garage with a storage solution that's built for performance. Keep your tools tidy and accessible with this robust system. What we like. This metal pegboard is over 10 times stronger than conventional options, offering exceptional durability. It accepts both standard and unique slotted accessories for maximum versatility. If you need a robust and attractive pegboard system that mounts directly into your wall studs or drywall without extra framework, this is an excellent solution. What people say. The Workbench organizer has multiple compartments that are perfect for storing various tools and hardware. The sturdy construction ensures that the organizer can hold a significant amount of weight without any issues. The modular design allows for easy customization and expansion of the storage system to fit different workbench sizes. Number 1. 12 Magnetic Tool Holder Strip. Tired of searching for your tools? This magnetic holder keeps everything organized and within reach, so you always know where your essentials are. Crafted from robust carbon steel, this holder is built to last. Its powerful magnetic bar can securely hold up to 10 pounds of your most valuable hand tools. Setting it up is a breeze, and you can even connect multiple strips together to create a larger, customized organization system. Mounting hardware is included for your convenience. Perfect for your garage, workshop, or even your kitchen, it provides quick and easy access to whatever you need. Keep your tools handy wherever you are. Get organized with our 12-inch strips, available in 4 or 8 packs. Each set includes brackets and mounting screws, making setup simple and straightforward. Looking for a practical gift? This tool holder is an ideal choice for Father's Day, helping any dad keep his workspace tidy and efficient. What we like. This magnetic tool holder strip offers a strong hold, capable of supporting up to 10 pounds of tools. It's incredibly easy to install and can be expanded by connecting multiple strips. If you need quick access to your most frequently used hand tools in your garage, workshop, or kitchen, this is a convenient and space-saving organizer. What people say. The organizer has multiple compartments of varying sizes, perfect for storing different types of tools and hardware. It's made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and should last a long time. The clear lid allows you to easily see what's inside without opening it, saving you time when searching for items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.